was close. I almost took out the rear window. Welcome back to Jankowski Speeding Off-Road, where today we're going to go north of Grand Forks here and pick up a couple of cars. The guy's got a few more, so I haven't been up there. My father-in-law has been up there. He's actually in front of me with his enclosed trailer right now. I've got the open one, and we're going to at least pick up 2 cars, but I might pick up a few more. We'll see what happens when we get there. Alright, this is what we're here for. Got this 60 Biscayne. It's not a wagon, but it is a 2-door window delivery. There is no, let's see if I can get this door open. There's no seats in the back. And it said something on it. We think it might be a Forest Service or a Air Force Base car, possibly, or by Grand Forks. That's pretty cool. Now we got this half a cut of a 60 El Camino I'm gonna take. Few more cars over here. This old International pickup. This thing's pretty cool. The wood roof is rotted out. Got this Hudson Hornet. This thing is massive. That one I was kind of thinking would be cool to have. I also saw this Jeepster Commando. This is like a mid-60s. It's got the cool front end on it. But as you can see, this thing's pretty gone. But I love the front ends on these things. Got another Hudson. I think this one's oh, what was it? A Hudson no. What was it? I think it was a Hudson Wasp. It's got a Continental kit on it. She's pretty worn out too. And then Ford, must be like a Crown Vic or Victoria. Kind of neat. A little worn out. Still got the flathead in it. This thing I'm pretty interested in. This old Comet. This thing's actually pretty complete. Gotta be like a 63. I don't know if it's worth coming back here because it's a couple hour drive, 2.5 hour drive. That thing's pretty cool. But I just looked from underneath. Got a transmission, no engine though. It's kind of a bummer. This thing would have been kind of neat to see if I could get it running. We'll see if I want to grab that or not. It's worth the extra work. This one jacked up anyway. Got some good tires on it. See if we can make a roller out of it. Get it on the trailer. The guy that's working with me today is my father-in-law, Ken. He's 78 years old. He's had a body shop for over 50 years that he still works at today, every day. There's no stopping this guy. You won't believe it. The other side spins. Unless that tire will hold air. I mean, it's...
Oh, well,
we could try it. Maybe.
I thought one had a pretty... Well, maybe that one will.
That's air enough. It's not getting a bulge, is it? Or is that just...
Oh,
yeah.
Well, you ain't got no legs, Lieutenant Dane.
Clear?
Yep.
Faster than I wanted. There we go.
See, that's all you needed.
Yeah. No, the ball valve was shut off.
No, it shouldn't. That shouldn't.
Everything was going great till I had to use the winch. The trailer I'm borrowing, the winch doesn't work on, which I already knew that. It's seized, it's just garbage. So I got this 2,000-pound marine winch from Tractor Supply, and this thing is a giant pile of crap. And you'll get to watch us struggle for about 3 hours. It'll probably be condensed into like 5 minutes. But yeah, this was fun. Gotta remember how to run this thing.
Huh?
I just gotta remember how to run this thing.
You want it on the ground here?
Oh, yeah. Oh, I think I might have to figure out how to make this freewheel. Because I think it only goes in.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, it says winch powers in only. I bet it took us a solid hour of Googling and looking at the instructions and everything, trying to get this winch to freewheel. It turns out the cable was wrapped onto itself on the roller, and it just took a lot of force to get it out.
It happens.
Yeah. Woo! Almost fell off the trailer. There we go. There, now. Yes. Oh, don't spin more. We're getting the same problem. Yeah, that's a lot of... Is it moving?
Tiny bit, but how about if we, I got like a long 2x4, if we could lift up on it so it kind of takes away from the drag here a little bit.
Could do that.
Or something like that, I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know.
No, it just came off, it just
Yeah.
slid far enough forward so it came off of the wing club.
Yeah. So the problem we're running into right now is that the car doesn't have a rear axle in it, and the rear bumper is digging into the ground. So we're putting it up on some 2x4s and sliding it on that, and this winch barely has any power. If it had all four wheels and they spun, it'd probably pull it up just fine. But now we're going to do something really sketchy and use a ratchet strap along with the winch to pull it up onto the trailer. This essentially puts your face right in the danger zone. So if the cable snaps, the hook comes off, anything, it's going to come right back to you. So this is extremely dangerous. Don't do this. We got that dinky little winch and and a strap to try pull this thing up. And we got jack the back up. And we've got it sitting on a 2x4. And we're just kind of dragging it. It's going up there slowly. Do you need to reset that strap, or you got it? Okay. Getting bound up. Yeah. Coming though. At this point, the winch actually broke, and the gentleman we bought the cars from had some time, and he stopped over and he brought his Bobcat. He got the car on the trailer the rest of the way, and we were good to go. Didn't really get a video of the El Camino getting loaded up. The car rolls and the trailer had a good winch, so that took like 10 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, you're good, you're good, you're good. Yeah, you're good, you're good. Okay.
I mean, that was close.
That was close. I almost took out the rear window. That'd be hard to find. All right, so I realized that I didn't film anymore after we got it off the trailer. We were kind of in a rush. But the car is at my in-laws. They got a ton of room to keep all that stuff. I mean, it's outside, so we'll figure out what to do with it later. But there is a second episode that's going to come up. We went back out and we're going to get some more cars. So subscribe so you know when that episode comes out. Thanks for watching.